Hello, and welcome to my course, ChatGPT, Writing a Book with ChatGPT. Yesterday afternoon, I wrote a short nonfiction book using artificial intelligence and published it on Amazon in 4 hours. Here's how I did it. Step 1. I used ChatGPT to create a list of the top 10 problems facing new writers. Here's the list. I ultimately chose to write about overcoming writer's block. Step 2. It took me 2 hours to outline and write the book using ChatGPT. Once finished, I asked ChatGPT to generate a blurb for the book it had just written. Step 3. As ChatGPT completed each chapter, I copied the generated text into a Microsoft Word nonfiction book template included in this course. Here's the contents copied to the template. Step 4. I then took 1 hour to copy edit the manuscript using Microsoft Word and both Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid, 2 AI-powered grammar and style checkers. I accepted all of their suggested modifications without argument. Step 5. It took me mere minutes to repurpose an old book cover using Microsoft PowerPoint. Step 6. I uploaded everything to Amazon, and within an hour, I had published my book. Amazon approved my book 1 hour later, and I was a published author. Here's the book on Amazon. Check it out. You don't need to buy it, but check out the page, the blurb, and look inside the book to see what ChatGPT can create. In case you stopped counting, it took me 4 hours to outline, write, copy, edit, format, and publish an Amazon Kindle ebook and POD paperback. In this course, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to research, outline, and write a book. I will show you how to use Microsoft Word book templates to gather and format your book. I will show you how to use Word, Grammarly, and Pro Writing Aid to automatically copy edit your book. I will explain how to self-publish your book on Amazon or in a PDF format. Watch me write a book using ChatGPT. Learn to write books in a flash using artificial intelligence. This has been Brian Jackson, and I'll see you in the classroom.